In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google Docs header. Whether you're new to Google Docs or looking to fine-tune your document editing skills, removing headers can be essential for customizing your documents to meet specific formatting requirements. This skill is particularly useful for academic papers, business reports, or any project that requires a polished and specific layout. Let's dive into the process. First and foremost, you'll need to access your Google Drive, where all your documents are stored. This is where everything begins. So, start by signing into your Google Drive account. You do this by simply typing in your email and password, then clicking Next. This step is straightforward but crucial as it grants you access to all your documents, including the one you need to adjust. Once you're logged in and can see your drive, navigate to the Docs section or wherever you have the document saved. Click on the specific document you wish to edit. This action will open the document in a new tab or window, ready for you to make changes. Now you're halfway there. The next step involves the header you want to remove. To find the header, move your cursor to the top of your document and double-click. This action will highlight the header section, making it active and ready for editing, or in our case, removing. Here's where a bit of precision comes into play. Once the header is active, you'll notice an options menu. You might need to look closely, as it can sometimes blend in with the rest of the toolbar. Click on this options menu, which will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. Within this drop-down menu, you're looking for the Remove Header option. It's usually straightforward to find. Once you spot it, click on Remove Header. This action will instantly remove the header from your document, giving it a cleaner look or preparing it for a different formatting requirement. And that's it. You've successfully removed a header from your Google Docs document. This might seem like a simple task, but it's an essential skill for anyone looking to customize their documents to fit specific needs or preferences. Remember, Google Docs saves changes automatically, so there's no need to look for a save button. Once you've removed the header, the changes are immediately applied and your document is updated in real time. This saves you the hassle of remembering to save changes manually and ensures that your document always reflects the latest edits. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Whether you're preparing an academic paper without a header or ensuring your business document adheres to particular formatting rules, knowing how to remove headers in Google Docs is an invaluable skill. Stick around for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Google Docs and other useful tools.